Assalamualaikum, grade 6th. Today we are going to start our new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Selfish Giant. That is present in your textbooks. The Selfish Giant. Students, as you know, and it is quite obvious from the name of the chapter that it seems to be very interesting. Giant, Deo, एक देव की कहानी. And what kind of giant it is? A selfish one. Selfish, खुदगर्ज. A person who thinks for his or her own advantages without seeking regards for others. खुदगर्ज. Selfishness, this is a adjective. Okay, and giant, a huge human being. The meaning, the huge human. Deo Kamat, Deo, okay, a person who is normally large in length, and selfish, it is the adjective or the quality that what kind of a giant it is. He is a very selfish giant who only thinks about his own pleasures and advantages, and he is regardless of the others, okay, in which the happiness of others lies. He least bothered about it. Okay, the story. The author describes the nature of the giant that he used to restrict, उसने पाबंदी लगा दी थी, the poor children to enter in his garden, as he owns a very lovely garden in which here and there are the beautiful flowers blooming, and the trees of peaches and apples are there. उसके गार्डन में बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी घास थी, बड़े बड़े दरख्त थे, and most of the things that the birds, they used to chirping on the trees, and they sang songs so sweetly that one could not resist itself. The people supposed to stop themselves and listen to their beautiful songs. That is the most beautiful thing about his garden. So, क्या बता रही थी मैं आपको कि the poor children, while their school ended, they just entered in his garden and they just enjoy themselves by climbing on the trees, by listening to the beautiful songs of the birds. वो उसका गाना सुनते थे, and they enjoyed a lot. But one day what happened that the giant returned, as he did not live there, but he just pay a visit to see his garden. What he did see? That his garden is full of those children, and the garden is full of them, but he didn't like it. In spite or instead of becoming happy, he became angry and roared in a loud voice. बहुत ज़ोर से चीखा. Who allowed you to play and enter in my garden without my permission? The poor children, they just ran away quickly as they frightened. वो खौफज़दा हो गए और एकदम उन्होंने अपने garden को छोड़ दिया. Okay, and they returned back. Now the garden became empty. खाली हो चुका था. And the season of spring, it just vanished from the garden as the children leave the garden. जैसे ही बच्चे उसके बाग से गए तो वहाँ क्या है, ख़ज़ा ने अपने डेरे डाल लिए. The spring, कोई भी अच्छा मौसम नहीं रहा वहाँ पे. The scene automatically and suddenly, all of a sudden, the whole scene would change हो गया. ठीक. And the author and the writer tries to say कि giant just think why this is happening. All the other areas over there, the seasons are reaching. मौसम आ चुका था, लेकिन उसके गार्डन में ख़ज़ा का मौसम ठहर गया था. It keeps on lying there, but he didn't explore the meaning. कैसा क्यों हुआ? That is just because of his selfishness. उसकी खुदगर्जी की वजह से हुआ. The author made his story very much interesting by giving the examples in it, that is called as imagery and symbolism. These are the new terms. ये दो मैं आपको terms इसमें बताऊंगी, introduce कराऊंगी कि जो राइटर ने, ऑथर ने, द ऑस्कर He is a very much famous and well known author. Imagery and symbolism. Imagery, manzarkashi. Okay, manzarkashi and symbolism, alamat pasandi. Alamat pasandi. This is the Urdu meaning of these two terms. But in this chapter, the author explained by taking the examples in a very beautiful way and makes his chapter much interesting. So while the readers reading it, you may find interest. आपका जो interest है उसमें बढ़ता चला जाए. क्या बताया? Imagery. Imagery is the ability to think of these objects and the people. The ability to think of the events, the places, and to create the image in the mind. Okay. मंजरकशी, कोई भी सीन है उसको अपने जहन में लाना. While in real we are not present over there, but वो उसको इतना इंटरेस्टिंगली शो करते हैं कि हम ये महसूस करें कि हम वहाँ मौजूद ना होते हुए भी वहाँ हैं. वी आर टेकिंग द फुल प्लेजर वाइल रीडिंग. सो द ऑथर मेक्स इट वेरी मच ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक he describes the garden of the giant, that it was a large lovely garden and with soft green grasses. So this is the images we are creating in our minds. हमने देखा तो नहीं है, लेकिन क्या है उससे क्रिएट अगर हम अपने माइंड में करेंगे तो वो मंज़र जो है हम जहन में लाते जाएंगे कि बर्ड सेंग्स ब्यूटिफुली स्वीटली इन अ स्वीट वॉइस, कि वहाँ क्या मंज़र हो सकता था. वाइल taking symbolism, the author used so many symbols in his chapter unit, like the sun. The sun is in real a ball of fire, or it gives us light. In the daytime we can see things in the light. ठीक है, हम लाइट जो है सूरज की रोशनी में दिन में देखते हैं ना, तो ये तो इसका कॉमन मीनिंग है. बट एज अ सिंबल द राइटर यूजेज इट एज अ सिंबल ऑफ वार्मथ. ओके, एज अ सिंबल ऑफ क्या इन्होंने अलामत ली है इसको? सिंबल ऑफ वार्मथ एंड जॉय. ठीक है. सिमिलरली अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज ऑफ डव, फाख्ता. लाइक एनी अदर बर्ड, it is a common bird, fakhta, but it is also a symbol of peace, as you all know, as a symbol of peace. ये अमन की कहते हैं ना, अमन की फाख्ता, अमन of symbol of peace is there. And volcano similarly, and river, yes, river is another symbol used for calmness. अपने calmness की वजह से इसके भी एक symbol है. So that writer wants to take the readers into the imaginary world, or he make the beautiful use of the symbols, ताकि readers जो हैं वो कहीं भी अपनी interest lack ना करें. In the end क्या हुआ बेटा कि the giant realizes his mistake, because in real stories the people keep on changing. स्टोरीज़ में और नॉर्मली लाइफ में भी क्या होता है, इंसान में तब्दीलियाँ आती हैं. विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम पीपल कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. चीज़ें भी बदलती हैं, लोग भी बदलते हैं. देयर इज़ अ चेंज कम्स इन एवरी फील्ड. फ्रॉम इसी तरह बैड टू गुड, क्रूल टू काइंड, सैड टू हैप्पी. चेंजेस ये हमारे नेचर के लॉज हैं. ठीक है, जो इसमें हमें राइटर ने समझाए हैं. द ऑथर डिस्क्राइब्स दैम इन अ वेरी मीनिंगफुल वे. क्या बताया? That giant, that selfish giant would also become changed. And how it changed? That one morning when he woke up, he heard a beautiful voice and he smelled a nice perfume, fragrance in his garden, coming from his garden. He just ran and rushed to his window to see what exactly going on. क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे? तो उसने क्या देखा? A little child was climbing on the top of the tree and he was climbing over there. He just go there and he tries to ask that little child. उससे पूछना चाहा कौन है, but as the child saw the giant behind him, he ran away. And the giant just asking, please come back. That little boy was in real an angel who sat downwards. वो एक angel था, फरिश्ता, जो कि उस सेल्फिश जॉइंट तक भेजा गया ताकि उसको अपनी गलती रियलाइज़ हो. क्यों? As soon as that little boy entered in his garden, the whole scenario, the whole scene was changed. जो उसका जंगल, उसके बाग में जो वीरानी थी in his garden, it just vanished. वो चली गई, it disappears. वो गायब हो गई. उसकी जगह क्या है? The again birds enter and they start singing their song sweetly, and the frost and snow which is lying on the trees, it just melt down. वो पिघल गई और उसकी जगह green, the new leaves, they arises again, and the greenery of his garden again came back. Then he realized and he discovered, the giant discovered that is just because of the children. Because if we just imagine the world without children, what would you think? कैसी होगी दुनिया बगैर बच्चों के? Just like a graveyard, एक कब्रिस्तान की तरह है, with no joy, जहाँ कोई भी खूबसूरती नहीं होगी. Children are the source of joy over there. So class, this is the conclusion of this chapter, that in this chapter the selfishness of that giant, it disappears and it turned into the kindness and generous. The giant becomes generous and kind and very lovable to the children after, and this drastic change came upon. And the questions related to this chapter, I think I have explained it and tried my level best to explain to you every point, every para, not every, but I'm just helping you out so you may not find difficulty in searching the questions. For instance, question number 1, how did the giant show his selfishness? उस giant ने अपनी खुदगर्जी का मुजाहरा कैसे किया था? I'm just giving you an example. कैसे किया होगा भाई? That he just restricted, he didn't allow the children to enter into his garden. उसने बच्चों को आने से रोक दिया, उसने restriction लगा दी. Not only this, but he also built huge wall around his garden so that no one may enter, and also put a signboard, एक signboard भी लगाया कि if anyone would enter in his garden, then he or she will be prosecuted. Prosecution means the legal act will be taken against that person. कानूनी चाराजोई की जाएगी, कानूनी कार्रवाई होगी उसके खिलाफ. That is the main proof of his selfishness. So beta, children, in this way you may able to find out the answers by yourself, because I want each and every students के आप इतनी अपने अंदर एबिलिटी पैदा करें कि लेसन को, चैप्टर को, अपने लेक्चर को इतना ग्रैब कर लीजिए कि आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करते हुए मुश्किल ना हो. थैंक यू, एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ क्लास.